Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, your premier source for Second Amendment news. Hopefully the lighting's better this time for those who are who keep me in line, we'll put it that way. I wanted to give everybody a quick update of what happened yesterday. Again, I couldn't get to the studio, so a couple things happened. First off, watch the video I posted earlier and did a repost because it got corrupted on the upload, and that has to do with a case that has actually been brought to the Supreme Court via writ of certiorari by the Firearms Policy Coalition. It's Holloway v. Barr. Watch that. It has to do with felons and losing their Second Amendment rights. Let's also talk about here this update regarding Kyle Rittenhouse, the Kenosha kid. Excuse the shake in my hands, guys. I'm holding my phone before those guys and gals out there who are videographers don't jump on me. So Kyle Rittenhouse had an appearance yesterday virtually in court. Before we jump to what happened yesterday, earlier this week, his attorney, Mark Richards, moved to have 2 of the 6 charges that Kyle is facing stricken from the record, to have them dismissed. The first one was the possession of a firearm by a person under 18, in which his attorney says is not supported by law, and the court's already rejected that once. So they rejected that a second time. Attorney Richards also tried to get the court to dismiss the charge of recklessly endangering the public safety by using a dangerous weapon, and the judge refused that as well. So Kyle Rittenhouse will stand trial for all 6 charges against him. And as I've said before, the video shows a clear case of self-defense. Did he violate local law? Possibly, but that does not change the fact, guys and gals. There are some of you out there that are on this Freedom Family team. Just because you're doing something wrong doesn't mean you deserve to die. So Kyle was right in defending himself. I will say that till my last breath. And the same would happen for you. If you were not able to have whatever item you were holding and you were attacked and you used that item to defend yourself and save your life or others around you, you did good. So keep that in mind before we start casting our judgments like we're the ones who are wearing the robe on the bench. But I just want to give everybody that update. So Kyle will stand trial on all 6 charges. And I'll also say good on Ricky Schroeder and good on, his name slips me at the moment, Mike Lindell, the owner of My Pillow. They put in a majority of the $2 million that was needed for his bail. It was $2 million cash bail. It's not the 10% bail bondsman type deal. So that was a lot of money, but it's good to see that Kyle is actually out right now and can see his mom and his family. But he's got some serious work ahead of him. I will keep you up to date on this as well as everything else that goes on in the Second Amendment community. Guys and gals, one quick thing. The U.S. Senate runoffs in Georgia are huge. If you're in the Georgia area, if you live in Georgia, surrounding state, and you can get to Georgia tomorrow, or even next weekend, the 12th, Gun Owners of America is doing an action day. They need people to get out and knock on doors and educate voters, to tell people to vote in person. Also, you can volunteer to use the phone and call a few people. Volunteer an hour of your time. Head over to gunowners.org/volunteer. They need our help. And it's more than just, do I want to make a couple phone calls for an hour? If the Democrats win these 2 U.S. Senate seats, not only is the Second Amendment in trouble in the immediate, because Joe Biden will have Nancy Pelosi and Chuck Schumer as the leaders in the House and the Senate. They will push through everything that Joe had on his website and still there as far as gun control. And the only thing that can stop that is to have a non-100% Democrat House, Senate, and presidency. So as of the moment, as of right now, it appears as though Joe Biden will be the president. But I have seen enough for me to say that there's fraud. But again, in court, it's not what you know or who you know, it's what you can prove. So hopefully they can get that done. But your vote in Georgia is absolutely immense. The future absolutely depends on these 2 races. So please help if you can. If you can knock doors, please do. If you can make phone calls, please do. GOA doesn't even know I'm asking you to do this. I'm asking you to do this as a Second Amendment advocate and for somebody who loves our country. the freedom we enjoy, the future of the constitutional republic is definitely at risk. There will be nothing to stop the very, very, very far left liberal agenda. So till we see each other again, guys, if you are interested in the Second Amendment, please hit subscribe down below, like and share this video as well to help not only the video but the channel, and tell your friends about it too. Till we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a weapon. Take care, everybody.